No, no. Red one. That's a red one.
That's a red one? All right. Are you going to swim? Where's the fishies? You going to wash yourself? Here's your face cloth. Here. Wash up.
Clean your body.
Clean your body?
Right here in the bathtub.
Instead of on the bathtub? And what about the fishies and the duckies? Huh? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, no. Fish is coming. Big fish. Big fish comes.
You're not. Get here.
Tell him. Get out of here, fish.
Get out of here.
Yeah. See, this is my ocean.
My bathtub.
Tell him to go find his own.
Pins.
Go find your own friends, fishy. We put you in the tank with Charlie. Should we put him in the tank with Charlie?
Charlie.
Charlie is your goldfish, huh? Where's Charlie?
Clean the body.
Clean the body, yep. Here's the face cloth. It's supposed to be cleaning the body. All right, clean it all up. Oh, you're going to clean the duck, huh? Is it going to be all clean? Fishies? Yeah. Are they getting clean?
Okay.
You like your bath? Miss Bubble? You like your bath?